Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Travel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be discussing workflow of the bank deposit payment gateway option available in WP Travel plugin. Bank deposit payment is a payment gateway option available in WP Travel plugin. If you are not able to use any payment gateway offered by WP Travel plugin, then this feature is particularly for you. To know more about this feature, please follow this step-by-step guide. For the bank deposit system, the client and admin should follow different steps. First of all, we are going for admin. So after activation of WP Travel plugin, as you can see, we are on our WordPress dashboard, and from there you need to head over to WP Travel and settings. From settings, you need to head over to your payments tab, and here if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see this bank deposit option. Just drop down this option and firstly make sure this option is enabled. Below that we are going to be having a description. We are going to be leaving blank for now, and after that you can see we have account details. This is the one we need. Click on this add new button, and here you'll be able to see your account detail and some fields just pop up. You can see you have account name, number, bank name, short code, your IBAN number, and finally SWIFT. Make sure it is enabled so it is activated on your front end page. Now we are going to be filling all of these fields accordingly. Just give me a couple of seconds so I can fill all of these fields, and I'll catch you up in a moment. So right now, as you can see, I have just input some dummy details, and once you're done, scroll all the way to the bottom and just save your settings. And now we are good to go. You need to head over to your trips and all trips. Just head over to any trip of your choice, and from there update and click on preview changes. Now you can see we are on our front end page, and let's just make a booking. After selecting few options, we will be good to go. Once your booking is made, you can see we are directed towards our checkout section, and here if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll be having this bank deposit options in the payment section. Click on bank deposit, and you can see all of the bank details that we entered in the backend section are now visible in here. You can see your account name, number, bank name, so on and so forth. Now for the details regarding how to set checkout, please refer to the link in the description below, which will guide you step by step on how to set a checkout. And now if you've entered all of your details, you need to click on book and pay. And now from this point, we are going to be discussing user or our client's workflow. After making the payment through bank deposit option, booking details will be available in the user's dashboard. So as you can see right now, I am on my dashboard, and from here we need to head over to our bookings tab. And here in the bookings tab, you'll be able to see that your booked trip is visible in here. Now you need to click on this details button, and details will be popped up on your screen. You can see all of your traveler details and all of your billing address or status, so on and so forth, as well as your payment status. Here in the bank payment option, you can see below we have option to submit a payment receipt. We need to click on that, and here we can see a submit bank payment receipt option. First we have our payment mode. You can either select partial payment or full payment. Below that we have bank deposit slip. So from your local storage, you're going to be uploading a bank receipt and a transaction ID from the receipt as well. Once you do that, you can click on submit, and you can see under payment status it is saying that our voucher is submitted. Now we need to head back to our backend section, and from there to WP Travel and bookings. Here you'll be able to see that the booking we made is being displayed in here, and under the payment status it is saying voucher submitted. Click on your booking, and you'll be able to see all of these details that you can confirm, and you also have this option under payment info of status, from where you can just change the status to paid or anything that you want. Just choose paid from the drop down and click on update. And now if we head back to our front end section, and from there to our dashboard, here you will be able to see that our payment status is changed to paid. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for workflow of the bank deposit payment gateway available in WP Travel plugin. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.